Hi, my name is Kristian. I'm one of the science educators here at the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium. Today we're going to be doing a really cool lab involving some awesome things that are going to show us exactly how germs can spread and why washing your hands is going to be so important. If you did, be sure to drop some photos in those comments below. Leave us a comment down below of any future videos you'd like to see. Maybe give us a shout out of where you're from. With just your eyes. And that's where this stuff is going to come in and help us. So what this does is it actually reflects the UV. Son of a bitch. All right, there you guys have it. Another science short in the books. Thanks for following along with us. Be sure to comment down below. Maybe tell you. Now what this stuff does basically simulates how germs.
Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned.
We want you to try at home. So what we're going to do today, we're going to take 2 ingredients. Very simple ingredients. We're gonna use 3. Damn it. All right, welcome back to another science short. Speeding up in the first place. If we take a look at peroxide is actually H2O2. Now that may sound familiar to you. It sounds like H2O, which we all know, or most of us do. So if you've noticed, so our hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, sounds a lot. Okay, so we've got our hydrogen peroxide and our reaction. Well, what is that chemical reaction in the first place? If we take a look at our beaker here full of, that is not a beaker, I cannot say that. All right, I want to thank you guys for joining us today. Wait a minute, I'm supposed to be doing that way you can stay up to date and see all the new experiments that we're coming out with. Make sure you comment and like down below. Tell us your favorite part of the... Okay, so in our flask, we have our hydrogen peroxide, we have our soap, our Dawn dish detergent, and then we have our soap and aquarium. Make sure you stay tuned to all of our social media platforms. That way you can stay up to date with our virtual science shorts, our live science demos. Don't forget about the aquarium here at the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. No, you're not subscribed. All right, we want to thank you guys again for joining us today here at the Science Center. Once again, we want to thank you. All right, once again, my name is Chris, and we want to thank you for joining us here at the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium for one of our virtual shorts. All right, once again, my name is Chris. I'm an educator here no, I don't need to say it.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Science Center. My name is Kristian. We're going to be taking you on a tour of one of the newest areas of the Science Center. Alright, before we start our tour, I'd like to introduce Dash Pad, where kids can go in, take a dip in the water, and cool off, and time soon on this. Now, one of our favorite family-friendly options here on our science trails are hopefully going to be coming sometime soon on this. My sound teaks that sparkle, bringing shiny cheeks, shiny cheeks. This amphitheater is going to play host to lots of live performances, ice cream socials, science experiments. In area, we're very excited. Coming soon, our brand new amphitheater. This amphitheater is going to play splash pad where kids can go, take a dip in, and if archaeology is more your thing, come and check out our awesome dig pit.
Not archaeology.
Yeah. Here in the center of our science trail is our really awesome. It's going to play host to live demonstrations. Why can't I?
Did you know the Utah raptor identifies as a Mormon has 6
dinosaur statues, each with little facts about oh, I just ate sand. All throughout our backyard. Take a look at all of our.
Hello. Hey, sorry.
Since then, I have loved it. Gotten a choice, the options, the choice, the words that are hard.
through this hard time. And again, thank you for helping us. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button down to subscribe. Down to subscribe. YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel for awesome science updates all throughout the world. Yes. Come and it's doing so good. Yeah. Hey everyone. Finally reopened. We're excited to have you and all of your thank you guys for watching our content. We do appreciate back. Thank you, and thank you for helping us. Oh, so close. Oh, so close. Police, and even check out this really amazing
Pendulum.
I was like, launch bottle rockets, learn all about pulleys and physics, and what is that thing called? Forest, where you guys can launch rockets, pulleys. Haven't seen part 1 of that? Make sure link for that down below. Let's get started with this. Are you coming back to our science trail? One thing you want to be sure not to miss on our science trail is our amazing conservation course. A full 18-hole... the 18-hole putting course that talks all about different science and conservation.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. To explore space along with me. So we're going to take So I'm going to get the light shut off here and we're going to get started. Oh! I wanted to fade the lights, not... All right. Yeah, I don't like... All right, I hope everybody enjoyed that tour of the space... Explore, see what you can discover out there.
Armageddon.
Oh, damn it. But I said damn it. Focus. And Grocus. My hair is drying up, we gotta finish. For new things that you may have not known were there. May not have known. All right, once again, we've... No.
Okay, that felt good. Now the outro. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you had... Okay. Time. Bye.
All right, hey there, it's Chris again from the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium. I probably don't need to say this because we're already in the middle of the video.
Yep, already smack dab in the center. You got it.
What the up, Kyle? Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. Awesome in the
Yep, just like that.
center as well. So we've included lots of different.
How many is that?
Actually play along with.
Oh my god, you're breaking. Nope, that's not got it.
Stuck on something. There we go.
Alright,
Nailed it.
Whatever.
Awesome 3D printed items. If you've ever seen one of our 3D printers, you'll see one on 3D printing all sorts of really cool shark themed. So close. Now you also find some really cool tools and knickknacks inside of your bag.
Yep, knickknacks.
The knickknacks, yeah.
3 knickknacks.
Stop saying knickknacks. Now you're also gonna find some really cool knickknacks. Knickknacks! We're gonna be 3D printing cool shark theme activities.
No.
So
No.
close. Clay, you can actually make a fossil imprint that you can actually let harden and, you know, do do to. Now, as you guys can tell, we're so excited for Shark Week coming up.
Are we?
I don't think so. Line for just $5, and you can actually pick them up whenever. Isn't it? No, it's not, Kristian. Get your head in the game. Let's try this again.
Okay, Troy.
Get my head in the game. Yeah.
Okay,
I missed. No. Your proceeds are going to help the Mr. The best. Oh wait, I gotta give Megan a call.
Electricity with Oscar and the Bird. So close. Hello, future scientists. My name's Kaley. Miss Kaley. They won't know I'm a grown-up if I don't say miss. Hello, future scientists. My name's Kaley. Why do I do that? I know I need to say it. Thank you all so much for... I'm not a one-take. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to a nature... I said a nature. Thank you all so much for joining us. If you try to make your own squishy at... Squishy? Squishy? You make your own squishy at home. Thank you all so much for joining us. If you try to make your... I'm trying to record a... I said quiet on set.
Right now.
Hey everybody!
Oh,
My name is.
What?
My name is.
What?
My name is. Hey everyone, and welcome to Show on the Go. What did you get to? We don't have time for this. Let's go.
all right. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Hey everybody, and welcome to.
Do you want to do it close? Now what? Well, when you put the soap on your finger and then touch the water, you are breaking the surface tension. I lost the word. Hang on. So did I already say? So how does soap work? Well, soap actually attacks the fatty no, hang on. I'm going to put a little bit of soap on my finger. And now do you want B-roll? So for this experiment, our glitter or pepper, if that's what you... Okay. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and special thank you to Primetime for sponsoring this video. Did I say thank you for watching this video or special? Or that'll be www.sfsciencecenter.org. Bye.
As far as any of the staff, we are going to be monitoring who's using the iPads. Hello, staff. It's your boss, Kristian. You're gonna just start this, guys, where we put imaginary lines and we create those. Create your own constellation. The possibilities are limitless. Sheet of paper. We're gonna go ahead and attach this to our paper tube. Now you want to make sure. No, I'm doing the wrong step. Duh. A little thumbtack is probably easy, or if you have.
Toothpick, maybe?
Thank you. That's exactly what I was thinking. All right, next. All right, now that we have our holes in our tube, it's paper. It's not a tube.
Just cut it off.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 It's on my black pants. No! No! It's on my shirt too. This is so frustrating.
It's gonna come out.
It's acrylic paint.
Oh,
It f***ing stains, of course. Why is there acrylic paint in the early childhood classroom? It should be washable paint, always.